this should be explained using COBOL program.
So like I mean the matched record should go to the output
matching logic.
Okay. So in the COBOL program, first thing like seems to be like a data is in not sorting order. So we need to keep the data in the sorting order before reading the file. So once the data is sorting order, I will be reading both the files once and then need to go to a loop where I will be having some kind of if condition. So the first if condition will be if the key value 1 from the file 1 is equal to key value 1 from the file 2. If both are equal, we'll consider that as a matched record and we'll write that record into the output file. And that will be the, after writing the output file, I need to read both file 1, file 2 again, and that will be the first if condition. The second if condition would be if the file 1 key value from file 1 is less than key value from file 2. In that case, I need to read file 1 and that will be the second if condition. Third if condition will be if key value 1 is greater than key value from file 2. In that case, I need to read the file 2. So that will be the third if condition. We need to keep reading until end of either one of files so that output file will have the matching record from both the files.
Okay. The next question, like I have file 1. Just take file 1 as an example. Records are 9, 5, 8 and 1, right? So I want my output file in a reverse order, 1, 8, 5 and 9. So can we achieve that?
Using COBOL program?
Yes.
So we can achieve it, but here like for this example we can easily achieve it. So what I will do, like I will read the file and while reading the file, like before that itself I would have declared one array and array of maybe I will declare array of 10 like that, and while reading the file, like I will take that first record and I will move it to the array which I declared, and like that I will read all the records and I will keep moving it to array until we get the end of the file. So now I have like around 4 records that are moved to the array. Now I will go to the array and will read that array from the bottom, like for example here 4 values we have moved. So for from loop I will start from the 4 by subtracting 1 from the subscript. So it's like perform varying maybe perform until condition I will use until some flag equal to y. Now I will subtract like a counter, I will take 4 and in the perform statement I will reduce it to 1 for every time, and whatever record I will get, so first I will record 4th record that I will write to the output file. Next time when you reduce 1 it will become 3, so I will get the 3rd record, I will write it.
Okay. So like can we read empty VSAM file using COBOL?
I think it will throw some error, empty file issue.
So to avoid that, what we have to do?
We need to have like an extra step in the JCL to verify whether the file is empty or not. So based on the condition code, the next step can be executed.
Okay. So I have a cursor. Okay, I am using cursor to update the one of my table. Okay, so for every 1000 records, I am using commit. Okay. So what happens to the cursor?
The cursor will go closed automatically because here we are not using cursor with hold option.
Okay. So what is null value indicator?
Usually sometimes like a database or table can contain null values, and when we are trying to retrieve it to the host variable, we'll get -305 SQL error. So to avoid that, we need to declare a null indicator, and we can have a check after fetching the data. We can like that we can like avoid -305.
Okay. So I have a GDG and have 10 versions in it. Okay. So I want to concatenate all the 10 versions into a new file.
So here we can use a sort utility, and in the PCM equal to sort, and in the sorting we need to give GDG base alone. So we need to give GDG base disk equal to share, and in the output file we can give sort out file, so that for that particular GDG whatever versions are available, all versions data will be loaded into the output file.
So I have a variable called WS of name, okay, with a picture class of 50. 50.
Mm-hmm.
So I am moving your name Prasad space Chittipoina, the that variable. So how to calculate the length of your name?
So you want to calculate the original name length.
Yes.
Okay, so here what we can do, that Prasad dot Chittigoina, and then there will be some spaces occupied. First thing, like we need to reverse the string using function reverse, and using inspect tallying, count of all leading spaces, that count we need to take, so that whatever spaces, like when we reverse it, right, all the spaces will come to the first. So all the spaces will be let's say the count is 30. Now we have the count of 30 and we know the variable length is 50. Now we need to subtract that, like 30 from 50, so that 20 will come, so that will be the original length of name.
Okay. So are you willing to learn this one, IMSDB?
Yes.
So you said 5 years of experience, right?
Yes.
Okay, Prasad, I am good with the evaluation. Thank you for joining the call.
Okay, thanks for your time, Mahesh.
Okay, thank you.